In this video, I'm going to show you how to post Instagram story from laptop or PC. Now, this is going to be a very simple solution, so bear with me and I'm going to show you in just a few minutes. So first things first, I want you to head over to Google Chrome, or you can just also go ahead and just look for Chrome Web Store. So you can type here Chrome Web Store just like so, and you should be able to see something like this. From here, I want you to go ahead and try to look for something called Insist. So it has to be double S. So this is the web extension that we're going to be using. We're just going to add this. And there you go. So now that it has been added, we're going to go ahead and click that one. And then let's go ahead and try to pin this one here. Now we're going to hit the OK. Let's go right here. And the moment you do that, it's actually going to sync your account right here. If you think this is not the account that you're going to be doing this for, you can go ahead and log out, or you can also go ahead and add an account. Now from this point forward, what you can see is your Instagram basically on the phone. Now what you are going to do is just tap this plus sign right here and you will be given different options. So you have here for story, photo, or video that is going to be posted, reel, carousel, and then schedule. So in my case, I'm just going to choose story because that's our goal for today. If nothing happens, you can go ahead and just click it one more time. There you go. All right, now from this point forward, go ahead and try to look for something. It could be a photo or a video. Most of the time when you are going to upload from say online, or say from a PC, you usually cannot upload a video. So for today, I'm going to show you that we can do that. So let's head over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and try to find something that I can use. So okay, say for example this one. These are just stock images or videos that I have here. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the open button, and you should be able to see something like this. Now what you are going to do is just basically schedule this one. So let's go ahead and try to schedule this one for morning. All right, morning of this day, or we can say that day, and then go ahead and click save, and then click this one. So as of the moment, we're scheduling it, but don't worry, we can definitely just publish this one. So now that you're seeing it here, you can go ahead and click that one, and then you're going to hit the publish now, and it's just going to publish that and made it available, or make it available for everyone. Let's go ahead and try to check our profile here. All right, as of the moment, it doesn't have it yet. It's still publishing. So let's just go ahead and wait for this one. All right, there you go. It says that it has been published. Let's go over here. Let's refresh this one. And there you go. So if we are going to click this one, you should be able to see here that it's new. It's 24 seconds ago. And yeah, that is how it's done. If this video was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how it helped you. I'd love to hear from you.